Hi there, if you want to know how to set up voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then you have to follow the steps. First, you have to go to phone and then tap on this three dot button and go to settings. Now from here scroll down and you will find voicemail. Tap on it. From here you can find a service provider. You can select your service provider of your SIM and then you can set up your voicemail number if you don't set your voicemail number yet, or you can also change that voicemail number if you add it already on this voicemail number. Then you can set notification settings here. From here you can set vibration, but rest of these settings are already checked or enabled by default of your system. Now you can turn on vibrate for this voicemail notification from phone, or you can disable it. Also you can disable app icon badges. That's how basically you can turn on or set up voicemail on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.